let's double click on this icon. So icon that's created there, and this here. So first going to print there hello world for Python by using Python programming. So print, then write there hello world. Hello world. Control S to save. So you can choose your location directory to save. Let's give there hello.py. So this saved. Now let's click on yes if that's come there. Then after here we need to go on this plugin, then plugin admin. There you need to search npp execute. So this select, then click on this install. Click on yes. Now let's click on yes. So this downloading, and now that's done. Let's go on this plugin again. Plugin npp. Not this one. Now you can see on this plugin section npp execute that's come there. Let's give here click on this execute npp script. So there you need to write some command npp underscore save. This is for saving the files. Then changing the directory. So current directory. Then give there double quote. Then dollar. Then bracket current directory. Then after let's give there for Python we need to get this Python. Then double quote or double quote dollar. Then here you need to give their file name. Then click on this here give the meaningful script name or giving the name Python run. Click on this save, then OK. So when you execute here you can see hello world that's displaying there. So this saved, then after change the directory of the file, then after execute the program, then you can get this output. Let's test or with another code. So this code that's going to test there. Select Control save as to save. Yes. Then plugin npp execute here execute. Or if I go on this run section, so here, okay, let's go on this plugin, then npp execute, then click to this here, click on OK. Now let's give the first number, second number. So here 8 plus 6, 14, that's displaying. So this is how we can install this Notepad++, then execute the Python program. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.